Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 34 on logic. In this lecture also we will discuss one more question on quantifiers which was asked in GTU Winter 2024 exam. Here we will see that how we can write given statement in symbolic form using predicates and quantifiers. Here we are given these statement functions. Px is the statement function of one variable which indicates that x is a person, and this is statement function of two variables x and y, and it is the notation for x is the father of y. This is denoted by f of xy. Similarly, x is the mother of y is denoted by mxy. So if some person is the mother of another person, then we will use this statement function. For example, if I want to say that S is the mother of T, then I will write M of S comma T. So this x and y are variables and they can take any given individual or person. Similarly, here f of xy denotes that x is the father of y, and px denotes that x is a person, and using this we have to write that x is the father of the mother of y in symbolic form. So first we write down what is given statement which we have to write in the symbolic form. We are given that x is the father of the mother of y. We have to write this expression or statement in symbolic form using these notations or using these statement functions. So first we assume that some person exists which is the mother of y. So we assume that a person z, assume that, suppose we denote z as the mother of y, so assume that z is the mother of y. Assume that z is the mother of y, and if x is the mother of y, we are using this notation mxy. So if z is the mother of y, then it will be denoted by m of zy. So we can write this as m of zy. Now here we have to write this expression in symbolic form. X is the father of the mother of y. Now we are considering mother of y as z. That means x is the father of z. So given statement is equivalent to this statement. We can rewrite statement 1 in this way also. Statement 1 can be rewritten as, if we use this z as the mother of y, then statement 1 can be rewritten as x is the father of z, x is the father of z, and z is the mother of y. We have assumed that z is the mother of y and x is the father of the mother of y. Mother of y is z, that means x is the father of z, that we have written here, and z is the mother of y. Now what is this? This we can rewrite as f of x comma z, because we are given that f of xy denotes that x is the father of y. So if I replace y by z here, I will have x is the father of z. So this is f of xz. Z is the mother of y is nothing but m of zy, and we assume that that person z exists. That is, z is a person is denoted by p of z. P of z denotes that z is a person, and we assume that that person exists. So there exists a person Z such that X is the father of Z and Z is the mother of Y. So using this we can write a given statement in symbolic form. Given statement in symbolic form is, so we will use existential quantifier because we assume that there exists a person Z such that Z is a person as well as X is the father of Z, that is f of xz, and Z is the mother of Y, that is m of zy. This is the required symbolic form for this statement. X is the father of the mother of Y. So we first assume that some person Z exists which is the mother of Y, and that we can write in symbolic form as m of zy, and we assume that person Z exists, or we assume that Z is a person, that we denote by p of Z using this statement function. And Z is the mother of Y is written as m of zy, and here we have to write this in symbolic form. X is the father of the mother of Y, that means X is the father of mother of Y, which we have denoted by Z. So X is the father of Z and Z is the mother of Y. These two statements are equivalent. We can write statement 1 equivalently in this form also if we assume that Z is the mother of Y. So this statement 1 is written as X is the father of Z and Z is the mother of Y. X is the father of Z is f of xz, Z is the mother of Y is m of zy, and here we require both the statements, so we use conjunction between these two, and also we require that Z is a person, so here also we use conjunction and use existential quantifier. So there exists some Z such that Z is a person and X is the father of Z and Z is the mother of Y. This is the symbolic form of given expression. So this is nice question. It was asked in GTU Winter 2024 exam. So this is all about this session. We will continue with this series in upcoming lectures. Thanks for watching.